you guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I repurposed a headboard that I did a couple years ago. I wasn't able to record it at the time, so I'm going to redo it and show you guys how I made it. So what I'm showing right now is the brackets that are on the back of the headboard, and this is what is used to hang the headboard on the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, the screwdriver and remove the nails from out of those brackets. I'm going to remove the fabric. I'm going to keep the batting on. I also have foam underneath that batting. I don't think I showed that in the video, and I do apologize for that. But basically, you can use any type of size foam if you want to do 1 inch or 2 inch. I think mine was about 2 inches of foam. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the screws from this and take the bracket off so I can go ahead and measure out the new fabric that I'm going to reupholster it with. And just to elaborate a little bit more as far as in the materials, I bought one big piece of board from Lowe's and had them cut it some the measurements that I wanted. My squares, I have 8 squares, and they are 22 by 22 inches, as well as the foam is 22 by 22 inches, and I got that from Joanns. They actually sell it already cut like that. So if you can catch a deal or something like that, that'd be a great idea to do. So what I did, I went ahead and just used what was on the headboard previously and laid it out onto my new fabric, and just to give me an idea how much fabric will be needed per square. And these pieces were actually cut more. The original pieces were cut more than what was used, so this can kind of basically give me an idea of how much leg room I have to cut for each square. So I went ahead and just laid those out just to kind of like make sure, like, okay, let me see where I need to cut, get the measurements correct. I didn't really do a whole lot of measuring, but I kind of eyeballed it. So I mean, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, everybody's not a professional. I'm not a professional. And if it's something that I like, I'm gonna just go ahead and do it myself. That's how I get down. What I'm doing here in this clip, I am making sure that the fabric is able to cover all 4 sides of the board, because that's the whole point of making sure that everything looks neat and nice. So I'm going to make these couple templates you see here, and these templates are going to be what's used for the rest of the fabric, so I can go ahead and cut all the rest of the pieces.
Back to them, I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these bitches rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle, young lady in the cut like a shank doll. Tail tip, rubber bands on my bankroll. Shake my ass like a stank house.
And now to the fun part. So we are going to fold your fabric to put the raw edges in the inside, so that way it doesn't unravel and come undone. So previously, when I put the batting on here, it was a little too wide, so I'm trimming, making it a little bit cool, getting my turn up on, you know what I'm saying? That's what I like to do. Ow! Okay, so anyway, back to the video. We're going to go ahead and make sure we fold to not expose those raw edges, and we're going to use a damn, what the hell is it called? Nail gun? No. What the hell? A staple gun, y'all. What is wrong with me? I can't think today. We're going to use the staple gun to go ahead and secure those staples into the fabric so that it does not come undone. Whatever you got to do to secure it on there, babe. I'm just saying. Do what you got to do. So we're going to go ahead and do this for all 4 sides. Okay, y'all, so we are finally here for the corners. So what you want to do is, so you're going to have this little flappy flap, and you're just going to pull it through the middle and then pull the side. If you can see visually, you know how I'm doing it. I'm sticking it in the center to keep it there, and then pull the other piece to your left, and you're gonna put a staple right there, just like that. Bow. Okay. Then while that staple is there securing it, to the other side, you can go ahead and start forming, making it nice and neat, like a present. If anybody know how to make gifts. So in order for all it to come together, I'm gonna have to trim that excess piece that you see, all that extra. So I'm just gonna take some scissors and just go ahead and cut that piece, because you want it to be nice and neat and flush. So let's cut that. So now that I got that part cut, I'm going to go ahead, make sure that everything's nice and neat and seamless. I'm pretty sure there may be a better way to do it, but this is how your girl's doing it. Ain't nobody going to be in the back of the damn headboard trying to look and see, how in the hell, why that shit look like that? Nah, we're not doing that. So we're going to go ahead and put a staple right on in that bad boy. And there you go. And then if you want to top any little loose ends like I had to, just go ahead and put whatever the staples that are needed to kind of make sure that it doesn't come apart. That's the goal. Make sure it don't come apart. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this bad boy up so y'all can go ahead and see me do it for the rest of the corners. Okay, so now we got to make sure we hang this headboard appropriately. So I have a bracket here. I don't know what it's called. I got my husband. Babe, what's the name of the bracket? He ain't paying me no damn attention. So we're going to use these nails. This bracket we got from Menards. I think we got it from Menards. The drill. You got to need that. And then you're just going to drill the holes through the bracket, through the headboard. And all the holes, the only hole that I skipped was the one in the middle because it was kind of right along that edge. But that's it. And there you have it. Upholstered headboard. Ain't it cute? If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And get your life with this headboard, y'all. See ya.